is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you a few DIYs that I made that I get from a thrift store. Maybe you are not going to have the same things, but I really want that this video can help you and inspires you to make your own projects, your own DIYs. These are going to be in a farmhouse, like a modern farmhouse look, but you can recreate these in any style. I hope that this video inspires you, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, as well as subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Hope you like today's video and let's get started. Okay guys, so for the first project, I'm going to use this wood box that I get from a thrift store, and I really like the color of the wood, but I think this is a boring piece. I don't know, I think this wood box needs something a little bit different, more interesting. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to put this decal that I made with my Cricut that says love grows here, and I'm going to put it on one side of the box. And if you don't have a Cricut, don't worry, you can use any type of sticker, and it's going to work very good with this project. Once you put the sticker on, I'm going to be using my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color, and I'm going to give it only one coat of paint on all the sides of the wood box. I'm going to leave the top part of the box the color of the wood, and that way you can play a little bit more with the colors and texture in one same piece. You can paint over the stickers, and that's fine. We're going to work with them a little bit later. And to dry the paint and make the process just a little bit more faster, I'm gonna be using my heat tool. Once the paint dries, I will be using my sanding sponge from Dollar Tree, and I will be sanding all the edges of the wood box to create a distressed look. And this way you can see how the wood texture pop out a little bit more and give it a really nice touch to your box. Whenever I use a sanding sponge or a sandpaper, I ended up having a big mess in my work area, and for that I really love to use my mini ladybug vacuum. And this is perfect for cleaning all the mess, all the glitter that you have in your work area. And I'm going to be leaving you the link in the description box of where you can find this vacuum. Okay, now that the paint is dry, I'm going to be removing the letter stickers or the decal that I put in my wood box. In this way, the letters are going to look with that wood texture, and is going to give it a really high-end looking. And remember, always remove the stickers when the paint is completely dry. From there, I'm going to use boxwood from Walmart, and I'm going to put a few branches and insert them in the foam that this wood box has. I really like things that have greenery, but remember, maybe you can put flowers to add a pop of color. I really want to add one more detail to the sides of the box. And for that, I'm going to use a piece of ribbon. This one is from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any type of ribbon. Then you can stick the ribbon with hot glue on the box, and you can also add drawing pins to each end of the ribbon just to make it look a little bit more beautiful, and you should do the same on the other side of the box. My loves, this will be the result of how our project looks like. I'm very happy and I'm so proud of this project. I think it is the perfect neutral spring DIY to add to my dining table. For the next project, I'm going to be using this wall sign that I got from my thrift store for only $1. You can recreate this DIY with any type of sign. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to remove the tooth hanger that has on the back side. Then I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint with my Waverly chalk paint in plaster color. Between each coat of paint, I will use my heat tool so that the paint dries faster. I always use this tool and I really like it a lot, so I'm going to be leaving you the link in the description box of where you can get it. Once all the sign is dry, I'm going to stick this decal that I made with my Cricut and Dollar Tree contact paper, which says Farmers Market, local and fresh. And as I told you, if you don't have a Cricut, don't worry, you can use any type of sticker that you like and it's going to work fine. Try to use things that you have at home. Okay, now I'm going to use my Waverly Wax in Antique color and I'm going to be painting the sign, creating a distressed look to make it look like an antique piece. Once the wax has dried, you can remove the decal, and that way the letters are going to look with that plaster color that you had paint as a base for the sign. And I really like this technique because you can have different shades of colors on one surface and it looks super cute. From there, I decide that I want to have handles to this sign and make it look like a tray. And for that, you can buy them in any hardware store, but since we have to stay at home, I will use these Dollar Tree handcuffs. And you can cut them in half to have 2 handles. And I'm going to reuse ones that I have at home from another DIY project that I made, and I painted in brown color, but I want to change the look. So I'm going to be using my burnt umber paint and gold paint, and with a sponge I'm going to apply and mix both colors to be looking like super old. Once are dry, you can glue one on each side of the sign. You can use hot glue if you want, but you can use E6000 too, because that way it's going to be stronger. And guys, this is how our second project looks like. I really love the idea of having been able to turn this sign into a tray with handles that looks super rustic, but you can also hang it on the wall if you want. To recreate this project, you can use any type of sign, and I just hope that these projects and this video can help you and inspires you to use things that you have around your home. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite project. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video and share some inspiration to your friends and family. Remember to follow me on my social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as my webpage. All the links are going to be in the description box. Mwah! Love you so much. Hope you have a beautiful day and see you on my next video. Bye guys.